Hi there, I'm Dylan, and today we're diving into Canva, the design tool that's perfect for beginners. In this video today, we're diving into Canva. Whether you're working on desktop or mobile, I'll show you how to create stunning designs with ease and even explore how Canva's AI tools can take your creativity to the next level. Let's get started. Canva is a versatile, easy-to-use platform for creating graphics, whether it's for social media, presentations, or business cards. The great thing about Canva is that it's beginner-friendly, and today we're going to explore both the desktop and mobile versions, so you can get started wherever you are. Let's start by heading to the canva.com on your desktop, or downloading the Canva app on your mobile device. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up with your email, Google, or Facebook account. It's quick and easy. Once you're logged in, you'll find Canva's dashboard. On desktop, you can easily access templates, design types, and recent projects. The mobile version offers a simplified interface, but still gives you all the same design tools. Now let's create your first design. Whether you're on desktop or mobile, Canva offers a huge selection of templates for everything from Instagram posts to presentations. For this tutorial, we'll start by creating a simple Instagram post. Customizing your design is straightforward with Canva's drag-to-drop system. On the desktop version, you can change the text, images, and colors with just a few clicks. Let's start by editing the text. Click or tap on the text box and type in your message. You can change the font, size, color, and alignment from the toolbar. Canva offers hundreds of fonts to choose from, so take your time finding one that suits your design. Next, let's upload an image. You can either choose from Canva's huge library of stock photos or upload your own. Simply drag and drop the image into your design or tap the plus button on mobile and select Uploads. Now, here's where Canva gets even more exciting. It's AI-powered tools. Canva's Magic Resize feature lets you resize your design for different platforms with a single click. For instance, you can quickly transform your Instagram post into a Facebook cover or Twitter post, all without starting from scratch. Another brilliant AI feature is Canva's design suggestions. As you work, Canva will suggest layout improvements and color schemes based on your project. It's like having your own personal design assistant right there with you. Canva also has an extensive library of elements, including icons, shapes, and illustrations. Simply click or tap Elements to browse and drag your chosen element into the design. You can resize, rotate, and adjust the colors of any element to fit your theme. Canva makes collaboration easy too. You can share your design with others and allow them to edit in real time. This is ideal for teams working on projects together, whether you're in the same office or halfway across the world. And that's a beginner's guide to Canva. Whether you're using desktop or mobile, Canva's tools, especially its AI features, make design easy for everyone. Now it's your turn to get creative. Don't forget to experiment with Canva's AI tools to take your designs to the next level.